metal detecting after watching a video from Outdoor Boys, but look at this terrible weather. Look at those windshield wipers. They're crazy. We can barely see anything. Look at that mirror. It's so hard to see. Mom's having a hard time driving, aren't you, Mom?
It's just hard to see. Visibility is low. At Salem Pond, we came back for another day in a row. We knew it would be snowy, but we still wanted to try it out. Of course, it's beautiful right now. No wind, but the snow is falling. Our boys decided to bring our metal detector, and so they're up at the playground. They're trying to find some coins, and I'm just here waiting for a bite. Thanks for joining us today on this episode of Family Fishing Tales. Hope you'll see us catch some fish. All right, I have a fish. Just caught him. Nice one. There you go, right on the lip. There's my power bait on there. We're gonna take him off and release him. Ooh. We caught one fish. We've got the two boys searching for treasures in the playground, and then my other son is running back and forth to watch his fish and also look for some coins and whatever they can find at the playground. It's been a good day so far. Everybody's nice and warm. The snow is not bothering us, and it's actually a pretty warm day for being snowy. All right, if you like this video so far, please hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to follow more of our fishing adventures, and we'll try and catch some more fish for you. Look at this guy. What are you looking for, son?
I'm just looking for a crawfish.
You're looking for a crawfish? Oh, okay. Oh, I like those holes. Those are perfect for looking through, huh? Oh, you're getting your sleeves all wet, huh? Okay. Nice. There he goes.
Getting a bite here.
Cool, cool. I hope your hook is exposed, because that fish will kill it if it is. Oh, I don't know if that's a snow, if that's a fish.
It's a bite. I'm waiting for him to put a bend in the rod.
Are you straight out there?
Yeah.
These guys are taking a break from using the metal detector. Now they're just exploring. We've got two poles out, trying to catch a fish. We're being very patient.
You got one. You got one.
All right, all right. We got a fish. We got a fish.
What?
Peppy, you're gonna get to reel up the next one, okay?
What? Oh, I feel.
No, there's nothing on there. All right, what do we got here? Ooh. Oh, yep, look at that. It's a fighter. It's a fighter. There it is. Oh, and it's a nice size one. Sweet. Woo. Yes. Looks like you've got, oh gosh. Okay, cool. All right, take him off.
Oh, it's a blue.
I was just helping the boys with their metal detecting, and Ddmyszik got a fish. Let's take a look at him. There's another fish over there. How big is he? Oh, it's a nice little guy. Ooh, they are so beautiful. Okay, perfect.
Not good.
Okay, do it.
Looks like Peppy has something on. Reel him up. You got one? Oh, yep, he has one. Peppy, do you think you have a fish on?
Yeah.
Good. Look at that rod bend. Not much of a rod. Not much of a bend because this rod. Not a very big rod. But look, we just caught one.
I got one. Rainbow trout.
Okay, buddy. Good job. Good job, son. Okay. All right. Come on. Pick him up. You got him. You got him. Don't kill him. You got him.
It's not all in with two hands. Not
All
one
right.
hand in one place.
Okay. Show him to me. All right.
Okay,
there's
release him.
Peppy's fish.
Release him. He's going to slip.
Hey, Peppy. God, where are you going to throw him back? All right. Today we are using these Power Baked Power Eggs in the garlic flavor. We have been using the unscented balls so far, but we're trying these out today, and I actually don't see that they're working better than the unscented Power Eggs. But we're going to see if we can catch more fish. All right, the beach is doing the reel and slow method, which he says is guaranteed to catch a fish. So I want to wait for it. All right, every boy has caught a fish now. Huh?
I need to tighten up the drill. Those trout are good fighters.
Yeah, they're really good fighters.
Okay, I've given this spot its time.
All right, Koya, all right. All right, what do we got? Ooh, beautiful rainbow. Maybe we got him on the lip. Yes, look, we got him on the lip, guys. Ooh, oh, it's a beautiful one. Go to the dock. Go to the dock. Go under Beach's line. There you go. Okay, give it back to your brother. Give it back to your brother. All right. Let's see. Careful, don't slip. Don't slip.
It's got to be a small blue stock.
Yeah. Ooh, what a beautiful fish. Wow.
That's
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Otters.
Look at that guy. Okay. Koya, look at how beautiful that fish is.
Is
Let's
that
pick him
a
up.
blue stock?
He's
I don't
so
know.
fat.
Here, hold this.
Look how fat he is.
Is that a good
I
stocking?
think it's a mama.
Blue stock.
Oh, check the eggs. Check the eggs.
She
Check
just,
the egg.
she just ripped off one of my eggs. Okay. Here, Koya.
But I still get to catch one more fish.
Yeah.
Here.
Look at this fish that Cody just caught. Beautiful rainbow.
Ooh.
Oh, he's releasing it. My brother's great fish. There he goes.
There he goes, and he's dang, that guy was beautiful. We are wrapping up this day. Everyone's getting cold, and it's time for us to go home, get warm, drink some hot chocolate, and enjoy the rest of our evening. We hope you enjoyed this episode and hope to see you soon. Oh yeah, that's probably what they do. They just back it up here and they just dump all the fish here, huh?
Because there's a big opening when it's touching the ground.
Yeah. Okay, how you feeling, buddy? Okay? Cold, huh? Yeah?
My hands are
Okay, I'll warm them up then. Let's go.
Today was a slow day at Salem Pond. It was freezing. Snow was coming down. Yeah, not much luck at all. But we caught some decent rainbow trout. Anyways, this is the end of the day for fishing. We're gonna go home and try and figure out a way to celebrate Valentine's Day. And like and subscribe if you liked our footage and fishing tips. And we'll see you on the water.